When working with our support team to resolve issues with desktop, you will be asked to share diagnostic information. And we made it easier to collect that information. So when asked by our support team, go to File, choose Options and Settings, and then choose Options. Under Global, go to the Diagnostics option. And then at the top here, enable tracing, and then click the Collect Diagnostic Information button. A new dialog will open that explains exactly what diagnostic information we collect. More information is provided in our documentation, which you can access using the Learn More links. Finally, you can specify a location where you want the information to be stored, and then you click Save. After a short delay, Desktop will create a zip file in the location you specified. That zip file contains all the diagnostic information we collected. You can then review that and share it with our support team so they can help you as quickly as possible.